a brand strategist.
I'm a graphic designer, 3D artist.
I'm a storytelling strategist.
And I gotta say the experience was completely different. To be here in person and interact with Chris and live the actual content that he puts out.
Just something that you can't really get online, and even through courses and stuff, of having that tangible feedback. And
you can get your question answered. If you have a concern, all of those things can be met by Chris Do himself rather than, the comment section.
There's something about the human connection on YouTube. You cannot replace sort of like the actual experience of being here.
These 2-day workshops has really opened my mind. You feel super invigorated and you start to put together a lot of extra stuff that you would not ever do if you didn't come to the workshop.
Literally after the first day, I went back to our hotel room and I started applying it with our team.
So why you should come to the workshop instead of just watching this on YouTube is, one, the people you're gonna meet and the interactions you're gonna have with people. And then two, here you are 100% laser focused in on what you need to learn.
I definitely recommend it. It's totally worth the price, and I hope to come again.